Hello folks and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do it now and hit the bell icon. Much appreciated. So starting with our video, I'm working with a 4mm crochet hook and a double knit yarn. Start with a slip knot, secure the knot on your hook and chain 15. Once your foundation chain is ready, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the second chain from your hook. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. You'll have 15 single crochets by the end of this row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch, making a total of 15 single crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make 8 single crochets in 8 stitches. After the 8 single crochet, make 8 chains. Now chain 1 and make a single crochet in each chain, making a total of 8 single crochets. Now slip stitch to the main part and turn your work. Now make 1 single crochet in each stitch, making a total of 8 single crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make 8 single crochets. Now you're back to the main part, so make 1 single crochet in each stitch on the main part, making a total of 6 single crochets, and then fasten off. So now attach the yarn to the center of your work over here. Take a new piece of yarn and attach it to the center over here. So once you've attached the yarn, chain 1 to secure it. Now make 3 single crochets on the part where it is going upwards, not to the main part. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 1 and turn your work. And again make 3 single crochets. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Again make 3 single crochets. So you will make a total of 9 rows with 3 single crochets. So here I am on my 9th row. Now chain 1 and cut off the extra yarn. Weave in the ends and your key is ready. So this is the final look of the key. Place it under some weights to straighten it out. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.